or Gay-Lussac's law. Charles observed that at constant pressure, the volume of every gas is increased by the same amount when heated from 0 degrees centigrade to a particular temperature. Gay-Lussac found that exact increase in the volume for every degree rise of temperature on the basis both of them on the basis of their studies put forward a generalization. The generalization states that the pressure remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of a gas increases or decreases by 1 upon 273 of its volume of 0 degrees centigrade for every degree rise or a fall in temperature. Thus, if V0 is the volume of a gas at 0 degrees centigrade and Vt is the volume at T degrees centigrade, then mathematically the law may be written as Vt is equal to V0 into 273 plus T degrees centigrade upon 273. Vt is equal to V0 into temperature upon 273. This is equal to V0 upon 273 into temperature. We can write Charles' law as an equation using a proportionality constant K. V is equal to K into T, or we can state that V upon T is equal to K. Again, let's consider a sample of a gas at V1 and temperature T1 and change the volume and the temperature to V2 and T2. Since the ratio of the volume to temperature is constant, we can write V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2, which is equal to a constant. Now, drawing the graph between volume and temperature, the graph is shown in the figure. When the graph is drawn between volume and temperature, the graph is a straight line curve. Now this graph, when drawn between volume and temperature in degree centigrade, then you can see that the graph is a straight line graph but does not passes through the zero, but it is pass through 0, but it becomes negative and touches the base at minus 273 degrees centigrade. Thus we can say that at constant temperature, volume of the gas is directly proportional to its temperature when the pressure is kept constant. Now the other graph shown are, when the graph is drawn between P and log 1 upon V, it is a straight line graph but does not passes through 0. When the graph is drawn between PV and pressure, it is straight line graph running parallel to the base. And when the graph is drawn between pressure and 1 upon V or density, then the graph is a straight line graph running from 0 and increasing the temperature, the graph rises at a higher level. When the graph is drawn between P and V or 1 upon D, the graph is hyperbolic curve varying with temperature T1, T2 and T3, where T1 is less than T2 and T2 is less than T3. Now we have discussed two laws, Boyle's law and Charles' law. Combining both the laws, another gas law is named, which is known as combined gas laws, combining these two laws. The general expression or the relationship between the pressure, volume and temperature of the fixed amount of gas, combining these two, mathematically it can be written as, since volume is directly proportional to temperature, volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Therefore, the equation becomes PV upon T is equal to constant. Or it can be written as under two different conditions, 1 and 2, P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. So therefore today we discussed Boyle's law, Charles' law and the combined gas laws. Now in the next coming lecture we will discuss Avogadro's law and ideal gas equation. Thank you. Now questions on Gay-Lussac's law. First, give the mathematical expression of Charles Gay-Lussac's law. चार्ल्स गे लुसाक लॉ या नियम का समीकरण लिखिए. सेकेंड, डिस्कस द नेचर ऑफ ग्राफ ड्रॉन बिटवीन वॉल्यूम एंड टेम्परेचर ऑफ आइडियल गैस. एक आइडियल गैस के लिए स्थिर दाब पर आयतन और उसके ताप में संबंध दिखाइए. इसको ग्राफ के द्वारा समझाइए. थर्ड, एक्सप्लेन चार्ल्स लॉ. चार्ल्स लॉ पर उसको एक्सप्लेन समझाइए और उस पर एक टिप्पणी लिखिए. फोर्थ, डिस्कस कंबाइंड लॉ. संयुक्त नियम क्या है और उसके ऊपर उसको विस्तृत रूप से समझाइए.